Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have an unboxing for you today. This is for Kscraft. I'm on the design team, so check out this unboxing. This is the August release, and I literally just got it today. What is today? August 12th? I think. It is. Today's August 12th, and I am going to get into this. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah. Okay. I have the August release, but I also picked up the July release, so it's kind of late. I picked this up as soon as I got on the design team because there are some pieces in here in the July release. Everybody's seen it. Let me get it out. So all this crinkling. July mostly has Halloween. I think it is all Halloween, but I purchased this one with my money. So let's get into it. Here are the paper clips. I'm so excited. Now I have some fun little journaling Halloween paper clips. That's going to be fun to play with. And you know, right now I'm currently working with Halloween and Christmas. This is the little ghost die, ghost bow die. And there's two sizes. Yeah, two different sizes. The baby and the mama. That's what Tony always says. The mama and the baby and the daddy. So you get two sizes of that. This one is, oh man, I wish they were labeled. This one is not labeled. This is the witch bag topper, or this is the witch bag topper. And she's got the little buckle, her hair, her eyes. Very cute. And you get it in two sizes. Cute little bag topper. And probably you've all seen it, but I am excited because I am going to play with these. Yay! I have some goodies. Oh my gosh. Get in there. Here's another set of bag toppers. This one has the candy and treats, the words, and you get the layering pieces. Wait, it goes like this with the stitching detail. And there is the bag topper, so you fold that in half, and this one layers on top of there, and then this goes on top. And you can use treats or candy for this one. So far, I am very happy with these. This was a really good release for Halloween. And this is the one I've been really, really excited for. These are the bat wing bows. So here are the wings, two layers. Then you have the little bow tie, and then you get the bat layering pieces for the head. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm excited. You get two sizes. Whoop, whoop. Let's go Halloween. And there might be a part two, because the part two would be the design team bundle that I'm working with, that I will be working with for Christmas. I think this is the add-on for, what are these add-ons for? I think this is for the tray, I want to say. Mini album. But look at these great candy corn layering pieces. You get the ghost, you get the skull key, and some skulls, 3 sizes of skulls. And you get the spider web in the shape of a heart. And then you got some pumpkins. You get another skull, the crossbones. That's pretty cool. Pumpkin. You got the witch boot. There's a larger key, some spiders, and a crow. I'm excited about the crow. That's going to be cool. It's cool to use. Halloween, Halloween. Okay. Here is another add-on. Girl. I think this is for the tray also. This is the books. Spooky books. The pumpkin. You got layering pieces for these, so they're dimensional for you. The word boo. You got some spider webs. It's a candle. The apothecary jars. And they got a lid. Ooh, very cool. Very cool. Like I said, I bought this one. This is not a part of the design team. But I wanted to show this first because these are going to be, there's some dies in here that are going to be brought back to get the Christmas stuff. Oh my gosh, like get in the bag. Okay, see that later. Here are some words dies with the shadow. All right, let's see. Just in case you all haven't seen everybody else's unboxing for the July release. This one's Too Cute to Spook. This one is Midnight Spells. And this one is Spells and Sparkles. Oh, that's cute. This one is Born to be Witchy. That's a cool one. I like that one. This one says Chills, Thrills, and Candy Refills. Oh, that's cool. Chills, Thrills, and Candy Refills. Oh my gosh, that was a little hard to read. Eat more candy. Oh, that's cool too. I like that one. I like that one. All right. Trying to go fast so we can do part 2. If we need to do part 2. Okay. So what is this one? None of them are labeled. Hannah, if there's anything I ever would ask from you, ever, is can we get some labels on these? Please. This is the trick-or-treat bag. Oh, yes, the 3D trick-or-treat bag. Multiple layers. Look at that. You got a little tag for your, to add to your tote. This is the side of your treat bag. You get all the layering pieces. You got 1, 2, 3 on this side piece. You got the pumpkin. Like, I would leave the pumpkin, but you can always trade this out. You can make a different face, or you could take it out and have no face at all on the treat bag and use this as another gift bag style. So that's just what I would do. Okay, so there's the treat bag, and then here, this is the fun one. Spooky booky. This is a pennant, and here is the layering piece. And the bow is adorable. It is a bat wings. And you got the little stitched layering piece right there. And the banner pennant itself looked like bones right here. And the end of the tip there. So you got multiple layers, and it does have words. It has spooky and boo with their coordinating layering shadow pieces. So spooky is there and boo is there. Okay. Yeah, this is my second time to get to be on Hannah's design team for Kscraft, and wish me luck. I mean, I would love to be on it forever, but you know, gotta play fair. Here is the next one. Gosh, there's a lot to go through in this collection. There's so many. Oh, these are the Halloween cookies, I believe. Look at the skeleton. And I'm thinking this is the layering piece. And then we have the witch hat, like there. Yeah, these are going to be so fun. There's the spider web, and we have the bats, and we have the ghost. How cool is that? Halloween, Halloween, Halloween cookies. Yes. Oh my gosh, that is so fun. So fun. I like that. Here's another set of words. Ooh. We have, now these are really nice. Okay, guys, so let me show the layering first. You get the outlines with the detail stitching on there. Those are tags. And then you get the second layer goes on there. Actually, this is the base. This piece is the base. This is your stitch detail. And then these are your words. This one says no tricks, just treats. And then this one, ooh, am I missing? Oh, it's in my hand. This one is the base that says you've been booed. There's a stitch detail layer. And you've been booed. That's really cute. And then I'm assuming, where did these go? Am I missing 2 tags? Or does this, oh no, these are the these are the stitched layers. So you'll see that there's like a shadow when you layer these 2 pieces together, this one and this one. There'll be a little shadow, and it'll show like a shadow or a highlight, if you want to say, these little detail cutouts right here. Highlight is a better word. So you get 2 tags, and that is your, wow, 1, 2, 3, 4 layers for this tag. And these tags are gorgeous. I've seen Hannah put these together, and yeah, especially if you like dimension, this is the one for you guys. This is a tag set. All right, then we have the skull rosette. That's, oh my God, that's gonna be cool. I already love that. And here we get into the bigger items. Okay, let's get into this one first. I think that's what that was for. These little pieces, I believe, I might be wrong. Where is it? These little pieces might be charms, or it might be layer pieces. One of these 2, one of them is supposed to be the charms for the new charm and chain set. Or yeah, there's the clasp, you got layering pieces, the chain, 2, 3 different types of chain, and then you got this little tiny little chain attachment, you know, to use on your 3D bags, you know. This one is not wanting to go get in there. Trying not to cut myself. So it's one of them that goes with this, or you could use both of them for the charm. So this one is a mini album. I think this is the word boo. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is the mini album, and it is the word boo. So you have the B here, and you have the O right here with the stitch detail. Look at that spider web. You got a cat, a spider, and a jack-o'-lantern. You have a cauldron. Oh, look, you got the drip for the cauldron, the exclamation point with the stitch detail. Very cool. Oh my gosh. And then this is the layering piece for the page. And you have some more stitch details for the O. Is that the O? Where does that one go? No, that's not for the O. It goes somewhere else. But here's the B. The B goes on. The B goes on. Goes on like this. So I'm assuming it's like that. There you go. That's the right direction. It's in reverse because this is the cut side. It's kind of weird to show you that other side. And then you also have this little piece right here to create your mini album. You glue the page. You glue the page here onto this edge. And then you put the rings onto this side so that, you know, you can create the mini album. I'm excited. You guys, if none of this makes sense, don't forget, I purchased this one mainly because they're going to work with the new dies that came out for the August release. And I'm going to keep saying that, so, you know. And this is another cutie pie. This is a pennant or banner, whichever one you want to call it. But then this piece you could use to attach to your banner. And then you could put the string through the holes there. Look at that little detail. I love it. Look at those bats. Very cool. So many layers. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Then you have this triangle here to outline over on top of your spider web, and you get 2 sizes of spiders. Oh my gosh. I know not everyone is a Halloween fan, but I love Halloween. I do. And then this is a stamp and die set. This is so cute. I love this system. Because I'm not a stamper. I mean, I'm not good at stamping. I want to be good at stamping. But the die set works out so awesome because you just take it and you line it up to those black dots. Once you stamp your image, take the die, line it up, and I suggest you use some washi so that it doesn't move on you when you put it in through your die cutter, and put it through, and it cuts all these little flags or sentiments for you. And then you have this layering piece to put it on. It'll all just match up. So awesome. Makes it easy for me because I am a terrible stamper. And then we have this little one right here. This is, what is this? Halloween. This is a little 3x3. It's about 3.5. It's just a little envelope, and you got little spider details. I love that. Look at this fancy spider web. Look at them curly cues at the end. Layer those on top like that. Oh gosh, so much detail. And then you have your stitching detail that goes behind. You know, fit it where it's supposed to. It fits, trust me. And then you have the little card that goes into the envelope. This one right here, folded in half. You got the little card. Really cute gift card envelope set for Halloween. Okay, last but not least, the final die set. This is the Witch Boot box. You have your box making die right here. Then you have these little extra pieces, the cauldron. You got Wicked. The word Wicked has got 3 layers. 1, 2, 3 layers here. And they turn it into a tag. You have a little bat, a little window there. Look at this boot. And you could also turn it into a mini album. I'm just saying. But look at that. Look at this. This goes to the front of the shoe. You know, where you lace up the shoe. That's so cute. Little skull and crossbones there. Spider web and a spider. It's so pretty. I cannot wait. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So excited for all of this. Time to break out the real deal. Okay, so that is the Halloween unboxing. This is the July release. Remember, you could still buy it. I think it's still available because I picked this up like purchased it 2 weeks ago. I purchased it 2 weeks ago. It just got here. So you could go find it on Ali. I don't want to put a link on there because sometimes the links just don't work. So yeah. Anyway, check it out. Come back for part 2. I have the Christmas stuff and I'll show you what the add-ons are when you come back. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, join the crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.